Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply 3D cartoon style to your video in the CapCut apps. So tap on your project and select your video that you want to edit. So I already have one project, just click on it and I'm using stock videos. So to apply the 3D cartoon style, just click on the clip and just can select style. So just search for the 3D cartoon effect. So that here is here. Okay, so you can see the 3D cartoon effect. Just click on it to apply. Generating. Just wait. As you can see, the 3D cartoon style has been applied to the video. Just click check mark. That's it. Okay, so super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.